Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to work smarter, not harder when designing in Figma, you're in exactly the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create and apply text styles in Figma so you can achieve consistent, beautiful typography across all your designs. Whether you're working on a one-pager or a whole project with dozens of screens, having well-organized text styles will save you tons of time and headaches later on. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up and use custom text style templates, plus a few tips to make your typography workflow smoother and more professional. Let's dive right in, first things first. You want to open your Figma file and focus on the right side of your screen. Look for the section called Styles. This is your hub for all sorts of reusable design settings. Think of it as your personal style library where you can store colors, effects, grids, and of course, text styles. To start creating a new text style, go ahead and click the little plus button. It's normally tucked near the top. It might look small, but don't underestimate how powerful it is for keeping your design system tidy. Once you've clicked that plus, Figma will ask you to choose what kind of style you want to create. Since we're focusing on typography, just select text. Now you're about to make your own text style template. This is the magic ingredient that helps you define exactly how your headings, body text, buttons, and other text elements should look, so you only have to set it up once and can reuse it everywhere. At this point, give your new style a clear, descriptive name. For example, you could call it Heading 1 Bold 32 PT or Body Text Regular 16 PT. Naming it thoughtfully might seem like a small detail, but it really pays off in larger projects or if you're collaborating with others. You can also add a description. This part is optional, but it can be super helpful, especially if your design system gets more complex. For instance, you might write, Use for main page headings, so your teammates know exactly when to use this style. Now that you've started naming, it's time to dive into the properties themselves. Here, where you really shape your style, first pick your font. This is the foundational look of your text, so choose one that fits your brand or the vibe of your project. After you've picked your font, you'll see options for text variables like font weight, style, and more. Next up, choose your font size. This determines the visual impact of your text, so take a moment to consider the hierarchy of your page. Heading sizes will usually be larger, while body or secondary text can be smaller. Right below, you'll also see options for line height and letter spacing. Adjusting the line height helps your text breathe and makes paragraphs easier on the eyes. Too tight, and your lines crowd each other. Too loose, and your text feels disconnected. Letter spacing can help with legibility, especially for uppercase headings. Once you've set all these details, click Create Style. Congratulate yourself, you've just made a reusable text style template in Figma. This part might sound a little technical, but after you've done it once or twice, it becomes second nature. Now let's talk about applying your new style. Whenever you add text to your design, select that text layer first. Over on the right-hand panel under Typography, you'll spot a little 4 dots icon next to your current text settings. Click those 4 dots, and a panel will open showing all your available text styles, including the one you just created. Simply select your style and voila, your text instantly adopts all those carefully chosen settings. Don't worry if you make a mistake, that's the beauty of styles. You can always go back, tweak your style, and any text using it will update automatically. This is a real game changer when you need to make global changes later on. So there you have it, creating and applying text styles in Figma isn't just about looking good, it's about working efficiently and keeping your designs clean and consistent. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and drop any questions or thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more practical Figma tips and tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.